Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with damp hair because water makes fibers pliable and less prone to breakage. Once you have 50% moisture, section one area and secure others with bands. Use a spray bottle to keep sections workable and a wide tooth comb only when necessary. Separate loose tips gently with fingers. Make sure to remove debris and check for clumps that formed during washing. This first pass prevents larger tangles, reduces stress on roots, and sets a clear roadmap for the next detailed steps. Once done with separation, focus on each dread. Palm roll firmly for 10 to 20 seconds to encourage compacting and shape. For loose roots, interlock gently or retwist by wrapping new growth toward the locked shaft. Use a small crochet hook only to pull stray hairs into the core, not to overwork. Make sure to use a light, residue-free gel sparingly to hold structure while air drying. After a few passes, reassess and repeat only where slack persists to avoid over-manipulation, and you finish by ensuring dreads dry mostly before rest. Air dry until 80 to 100% dry, or use a low-heat diffuser to speed it safely. Trim frayed tips and tidy visible loose hairs with a tiny crochet hook, working minimally. Make sure to sleep with a satin scarf to reduce friction. If a dread keeps slipping or unraveling, repeat interlock and palm roll cycles every few days over 1 to 2 weeks rather than overworking in one session. This gradual approach secures structure without damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.